Hello, students. How are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we will going to learn GK unit number 20, learning geography revision. So, now let's learn about learning geography. Earth, Earth, Earth. So here we can see photograph of our Earth, and we live on Earth, and the Earth is flattened at the north and south pole and is found to bulk at equator. So Earth is the only planet in the solar system that does not has its name after any Roman or Greek god. Earth is the only planet among the other 8 planets that support life. So Earth support life, and Earth is the descent planet in the solar system. Earth's surface is covered with 70% water, and its atmosphere contains oxygen and the most important essential of life. Without oxygen and water, life cannot exist. So, Earth, Earth is flattened at the north and south pole, and we live on Earth, and Earth is only planet that solar system that does not has its name after any Roman or Greek god. So Earth is the only planet among the other 8 planets support life. So we live on Earth because of Earth support life. And Earth is the descent planet in the solar system. So Earth's surface is covered with 70% water, and its atmosphere contains oxygen. So the most important essential of life. So earth support water and oxygen. That's why we can live on earth. And this is the most important essential of life. Without oxygen and water, life cannot exist. So, children, you all are understand that Earth is the planet that which we can live. So, we all live on Earth. So, children, we are going to learn next slide, and it's a sun. Sun, sun. So here we can see a photograph of sun. Children, you know that sun is the star, biggest star. So the sun is the star and found at the center of the solar system. Sun is the biggest star in the galaxy, and it is be found in a center of solar system. It makes up around 99.86% of the solar system's mass, and at around 1 392,000 kilometers. So wide and Sun's diameter is about 110 times wider than Earth. So around 74% of Sun's mass is made of hydrogen, and the light from the Sun reaches Earth in around 8 minutes. So the sun's surface temperature is around 5500 degrees Celsius. So pack plenty of sunscreen if you planned on visiting. So the remembering that the average distance from the sun to the earth is around 150 million kilometers. So sun is the star found at the center of the solar system, and it make up around 99.86% of the solar system's mass, and at around 139,200 kilometers wide, and the sun's diameter is about 110 times wider than the earth's. So around 74% of the sun's mass is made up of hydrogen. Light from the sun reaches earth in around 8 minutes, and the sun's surface temperature is around 5500 degrees Celsius. So pack plenty of sunscreen if you plant on visible is remembering that the average distance from the sun to the earth is around 150 million kilometer. So children, you all are understand that sun is the biggest star. So now we are going to learn a next slide and next geography. It's the Earth's atmosphere. So Earth's atmosphere is made of maximum of gases. It called air. So we can see Earth atmosphere is made up of mixture of gases, and it called air. So it's a nitrogen gas make up about 78% of Earth atmosphere. Here we can see a nitrogen, it's a 78% of the gas. And the second most abundant gas is oxygen, which make up 21% of Earth atmosphere. Here we can see 21% of oxygen gas. And the third, argon, is 0.9%, and the carbon dioxide is 0.3%. So the Earth atmosphere is made of a mixture of gases, and it called air. So Earth atmosphere in we find a air, and such as a mixture of gases, and it called air. So children, you all are understand that Earth atmosphere is covered with a air. So now we are going to learn a next slide, and it's daytime. So in the morning the sun rises, it called daytime, and shines in the east. So sun rises in the east and it's called daytime. So, this is when the part of earth where you live faces the sun. And during this time, it is a day. So, the other side of the earth is experiencing night time. So, in the morning, the sun rises, it called daytime and shines in the east. And this is when the part of earth where you live faces the sun. During this time, it is day and other side of the earth is experiencing night time. So, sun rises in the shine and shines in the east and it called a morning or a daytime. So, children, you all are understand what is a daytime. So, in the morning or the sun rises and the shines in the east. This when the part of the earth where you live faces the sun. During this time, it is a day. So now we are going to learn a next slides and it's a moon. So moon is the earth only satellite. So moon is the satellite of earth and it is the cold, dry and obvous surface is studded with a creates and the Saturn with the rocks and the dust and it called a reglolites and the moon has no atmosphere. So moon has no atmosphere and recent lunar missions indicates that there might have been some frozen ice and it at the poles. So the moon is a satellite of earth and moon is also revolved round the earth and the its whose surface it's made up of cold and dry orb and its surface is suddened with a crates and saturn with rocks and dust called reglolites and the moon has no atmosphere. So, recent lunar missions indicate that there might have been some frozen ice at the poles. So, children, you all are understand that moon is Earth only satellite. So, now we are going to learn a next slide and it's India. So here we can see India is the seventh largest country in the world. So India is the country and it is the most colorful country. Here we can see here we find different types of religions, different types of festival and also different types of peoples live together in one country. So, India is the seventh largest country in the world and it is the most colorful country, garnished with several ingredients of religion, ritual, languages, and cultures. And the country is the based on innumerable beautiful destinations that together list of among the most visited location of the world. So, India is the seventh largest country in the world, and it is the most colorful, and it's a very ingredients of religions, rituals, languages, and culture. So here we can find different types of peoples, different types of languages, and also different types of festival and different types of culture. But we live together in a one country, and it's India. So India is the largest, seventh largest country in the world. Okay, now we are going to learn a next slide, and it's a Himalayas. So here we can see a Himalayas. So the mountain range covering north and northeastern part of our country, and it is called the Himalayas. So the Himalaya is the highest mountain range in the world. Here we can find a north and northeastern part. It is a Himalayas, and Himalayas are a mountain range in the highest in the world. So children, you all are understand that Himalayas is the highest mountain range in the world. So now next, camel. So here we can see a photograph of camel, and you all know that camel is a vehicle of desert. So it live in the hot desert and like to eat grass, wheat, and oats. But it could not live in the oceans. It does not like to eat meat. So camel is the live in a hot desert, and uh, it like to eat grass, wheat, and oats. And you all know that camel also have um, great things in their body, that camel uh, live without water many days, and also camel can live without water and food for many days. And also camel legs are very long, and also it eats grass, wheat, and oats. So children, you all are understand that camel is the vehicle of a desert. Now the 24 hours clock one. So 12 hours clock, the hours to go from 12 to 12 twice a day, and you must use AM or PM. So AM is the before noon and PM is the afternoon. So the 24 hours clock is the hours go from 0 to 23, and time is always shown as a 4 digits. And you don't use AM or PM. Used in timetables, mobiles, and computers. So AM and PM is see that before noon and afternoon, and also in a day in we find 24 hours. So children, you all are understand that in a day in 24 hours. Now next, giraffe. So here we can see a photograph of giraffe, and you all know that giraffe has a long neck, and scientific name of giraffe is a giraffe camelopardalis, but common name is giraffe. So the giraffe is herbivorous animal. Giraffe can eat grass, leaves, and also vegetables. And giraffe have a very long neck to help them get their food off of the trees. So giraffe can eat trees leaves, then grass, and giraffes have a long neck, and it is a herbivorous animal. You all know about giraffe, and also its scientific name is camelopardlis, and we find that it's a look like a mixture of camel and leopard, and also its common name is a giraffe. So children, you all are understand about giraffe. So, children, in today's lecture, we learn about different types of geography. Like we can see, firstly, it's a Earth. So, we live on Earth, and Earth is the only planet among the 8 planets that support life, and we all live on Earth. Then we learn about a sun. So, sun is the star, and it's we found in the center of solar system, and uh, sun give us two lights, and around 74% of the sun's mass is made of hydrogen. Then we learn about Earth's atmosphere. So Earth's atmosphere is covered with air, and it's a mixture of air or mixture of gases, and it called air: nitrogen, oxygen, argon, and carbon dioxide. Now next we learn about daytime. So what is the daytime? So in the morning the sun rises and shines, and in the east it called a daytime, and during this time it is a day. And our earth part of earth where you live faces the sun, and during this time it is a day. Then we learn about moon. So moon is a earth only satellite, and also the revolve round the earth, and a satellite of earth. Then we learn about India, our country. So India is country, and it's a colorful country, and also here we find that ingredients of religion, rituals, languages, culture, and a beautiful destination together. Next, we learn about Himalaya. So, what is Himalaya? So, Himalaya is the highest mountain range in the world. Then we learn about camel. So, camel is the live in a desert and also like to eat grass, wheat, and oats, etc. And also omnivorous animal. Then we learn about a 24 hours. So, in a day we have a 24 hours. Then we learn about giraffe. So giraffe have a long neck to help them to get their food. And also giraffe is herbivorous animal. So children, you all have understand this lecture. So now we are going to learn some exercise, unit number 20, learning geography. Take the correct choice. Take the correct choice. Number 1. The earth is a star, planet, or ball. So Earth is, yes, Earth is planet. Very good. So Earth is planet. Then number 2, the sun rises in the north, west or east. So where the sun rises? Who knows this answer? Yes, sun rises in the east. Sun rises in the east. Children, you all are right with me. Now number 3. The earth is surrounded by. So earth is surrounded by air, water or fire. So it's a air. The earth is surrounded by air. And now number 4, the time when the sun rises, it called, so the time when sun rises is called dusk, dawn or night. So it called, yes, it called dawn. So the time when the sun rises, it called dawn. And the earth is the planet. Then number 2, the sun rises in the east. Number 3, the earth is surrounded by air. And number 4, the time when the sun rises is called dawn. Okay, now next, number 5. So the moon goes around. Moon goes around earth, sun or a star? Yes, the moon goes around the earth. Very good. Now number 6. India is a city, state or country. So India is country, yes, which we live. Okay, now number 7. Himalayas are in the south, east, north of India. So where the Himalayas are? Yes, it's north of India. So the Himalayas are in the north of India. Now number 8. Camels useful in. So where the camels are useful? In the desert, mountains or forest? Yes, in the desert. So camels are useful in the desert. Very good. Okay, now number 9. A day has how many hours in a day? Yes, 24. So a day has 24 hours. Very good. Okay, now number 10 and last. The elephant, giraffe or horse has a long neck. So who has a long neck? Yes, it's a giraffe. So giraffe has a long neck. So children, you all enjoy? Very good. Hope you learn and enjoy this lecture. So students, I will see you next time. Also students, don't forget to wash your hand regularly. Eat healthy food. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you students.